So let's see what happens.
Stay there.
Oh, stickers are coming. Keep it in there.
Oh. What's happening?
Is anything happening?
Is he opening his mouth?
Turning.
Is it changing?
Yeah, it's changing.
Oh, it's changing into white. Oh, nice. Changing into white.
So this water's not super hot, so it's taking a while for it to change. If it was a little bit warmer, it would. If it was really hot, so like in the real ocean, if the water is more than 1 degree hotter than corals like for 4 weeks long, that's when they coral polyps. If the water's a little bit warm, they're happy. But if it's too hot, then they spit out their zoo's and bellies.
That's it. Only do you have to do it only once and then it'll be white?
Well, for real corals, it has to stay hot. Too hot for 4 weeks long at a time, and then they start to spit out.
So when we get it out, we will be wet again soon.
All right, Connor, do you want to look? It turned all white.
And look inside, it's red.
It's still red in the very inside. What happens if you put it in the cold water?
It'll be pink.
It'll be red again. Pink or whatever.
It's starting to turn pink again. Whoa, it's really fast.
Wow. It's red blood.